Do you want to know why hair growth treatments don't work for your hair? We're going to teach you how to grow long and healthy hair while you sleep. It's going to be one easy trick, and this is going to make sure you don't have to make your natural hair care into a full-time job, spending hours in your weekends while you should be having fun doing henna treatments, homemade potions and lotions, and like yogurt, avocado,
raw egg.
oh, that's the worst one. There's actually one easy trick that you do not need to spend hundreds of dollars on, and you don't need to spend hours a week on hair treatments. There's something more effective. It works while you sleep.
We're Shanine and Shanaz, and we are natural beauty consultants. And for over 10 years, we've been helping women achieve better and healthier hair and skin. And most importantly, feel more confident.
And we are here to help you get your life back and get your time back.
So what's this mystery trick that's going to help you grow your hair while you sleep? Well, actually, it's 100% natural mulberry silk pillowcases. Now, I know what you're thinking. How is a pillowcase going to help me grow my hair? Or
I'm using a satin bonnet. Isn't that enough?
Or, should I be adding vitamins and minerals to my scalp to make it grow faster?
We are going to tell you 3 secrets about hair growth that are going to make you realize why the things you've been doing have not been working, and
how mulberry silk will actually help you solve those problems.
The number one cause of hair breakage of natural hair is friction. For 6 to 8 hours at night, you sleep on your pillowcase and your hair is rubbing against it. It's actually the most friction your hair and your skin have on any other fabric a day. So your pillowcase is super important in your hair and your skin care.
Yeah, and it's that friction that causes the hair breakage.
And it's not your fault, because if you're doing all of these things, adding all of these homemade DIYs and
expensive
hair salon treatments and stuff like that, but at night, little by little, your hair is breaking off. It can be on the ends, but it can also be here on your edges or your roots, and it's a losing battle.
So silk pillowcase will help your hair glide over the surface, the sleep surface, without any friction. Split ends, even frizz and
tangles,
will be minimized because of the smooth sleep surface you create by using mulberry silk.
Secret number 2.
Dry hair breaks more easily.
Yes.
So curly and textured hair is drier anyway to begin with. So it's really important we try to retain that moisture. The reason being is that, the natural oils that we create in our scalp, called sebum, has difficulty traveling down your hair shaft because of all the kinks and coils in your hair. And
a regular pillowcase absorbs the moisture you put on your hair. So you're putting these amazing leave-in conditioners or moisturizing treatments on your hair, and meanwhile, while you sleep, your pillowcase is absorbing all of the moisture from your hair. So sleeping on a silk pillowcase is going to help you retain that moisture, because it does not absorb the moisture from your hair and skin. This way, you're actually using less leave-in conditioners or less expensive moisturizers in your hair and skin, because you're retaining more. And you're preventing your hair and skin from losing it to begin with.
Your body regenerates at night, so it's important that you do whatever you can to help support it. And sleeping on a silk pillowcase just allows your hair to do what it's designed to do, and that's just regenerate at night and become luscious and a source of beauty and self-confidence again. Secret number 3: tight hairstyles and hairbands are an important cause of hair breakage.
A lot of times we think we are using protective hairstyles like braiding your hair, putting your hair up in a bun or a ponytail, but these tight hairstyles actually are damaging your hair. They're pulling and stretching your hair away from its roots. So this can cause hair breakage and
Hair
thinning, especially around the edges of your hair. And this is called traction alopecia, and a lot of us are dealing with that.
So, those protective hairstyles are not as protective as you might think.
Plus the friction from your hair bands when you're putting your hair up in a ponytail or a bun, they are rubbing against your hair and actually cutting your hair off right where you're putting it up.
So what can we do about it? Well, it's important not to just use a bonnet, right?
Especially because your bonnet is usually sliding off of the edges a little bit. So this way your edges are still exposed to the friction of your pillowcase. Plus the bonnet can be a little tight around the edges sometimes, so we put it up tight so to make sure it doesn't fall or slide off at night. Also, minimize tight hairstyles and use a silk scrunchie instead of, a hairband or an elastic band.
We've created this amazing silky smooth silk pillowcase offer for you today.
It will help you retain the moisture in your hair and your skin by sleeping on this 100% natural mulberry silk pillowcase.
It's just going to provide you that breathable, smooth sleep surface for your hair and your skin.
It feels amazing, and also even just that I use it myself, and when I go to sleep at night, it just feels amazing knowing that you're giving your hair and your skin the best you can possibly give it, so that you're actually supporting it to do what it's supposed to be doing.
I love my silk pillowcase. So click on this page, to order your set. We've got a special holiday offer on at the moment. It's available for a super limited time only. So order now, and you'll receive one silk pillowcase, 100% mulberry silk, a free mulberry silk scrunchie, and today you'll get a free ebook as well.
These are our secret nighttime routines we put in that book, which are like rituals we do at night to ensure that our skin and our hair, but most importantly our mind and bodies, are at ease, so we can ensure the best night rest. Because you know what they say, they don't call it beauty sleep for nothing.
So this is important even if you already have a satin pillowcase or
a satin bonnet. Silk is so much more breathable and so much more natural for your skin and your hair, and it's also way softer on the touch, and it's made with 100% natural ingredients. Every night you're wasting your time sleeping, you're wasting beauty away and hair away sleeping on a cotton pillowcase.
Yeah, if you're looking for just better skin, better and healthier hair, and even to grow your hair, then this is an absolute must. That's it. So click on the link on this page and start ordering your silk pillowcase set today.